3, 2, 1, go!
Heading into our next autonomous period as these robots are firing off some more of that fuel. As 7782 fires off a full salvo into their blue hub for their alliance. The human players on the red side are firing off all that they can from their outpost. As some are bouncing out, some are staying in. And now going into our transition shift as our drivers take control. The Blue Alliance scored more points on Autonomous, which means the first Alliance Pacific shift is headed over to the red side. As 7855 was firing off a salvo from their robot. Just in time as they're trying to get that fuel in the right position, they accidentally bounce it out. But now the Baywatch machine is in position as they just start firing away all of that fuel for their Alliance. They land a perfect salvo straight down into the red hub for their Alliance. As their machine from Kalkaska getting in the right position to do the same thing for the Red Alliance. But now it's shifting back over to blue. As the Delta Force and the Wolverine Circuit Breakers are firing off all that fuel as the Circuit Breakers fire off a good amount for their Alliance as well. The Delta Force trying to herd some of that fuel into their robot, but accidentally gives them over to the neutral zone as the Cyber Patriots are still moving around, trying to get more fuel into their robot. It's shifting back over to the red side as it looks like they want to try to extend their lead or possibly get close to that energized ranking point as all three of these robots are looking to fire off all that fuel straight down into their hub. As it looks like Baywatch hasn't missed a beat so far in the last few seconds as 7855 heading back to the center of the field. Kalkaska doing the same as their shift is winding down and headed back over to the blue side. There's 23 seconds left in this shift as their human players start firing away. As the Cyber Patriots were trying to position a little bit under their trench anyway for firing that off or just passing some of that fuel over to their partners. As it looks like this match is still within striking distance of the Red Alliance, Blue Alliance as we head into our end game. As it looks like these red robots are attempting to score enough fuel to get that energized ranking point. As they've got more than enough time, they've got it right now for their Alliance. As 7790 finishes firing off that salvo. As it looks like 7808 attempting to get unstuck. All these robots are back on their respective sides. Blue Alliance still trying to fire off more fuel for their Alliance. But the Red Alliance is also extending their lead just in time for the end of qualification match number 10. Scores over here. With a score of 117 to 59, as getting at least 100 fuel scored means that they all get the energized ranking point and come away with 4 total.